Hello and welcome to Connecticut Backcountry. I'm Gary, and today I'm trying out some fire starters. Alright, so about a week ago I was approached by a representative for Bigfoot Bushcraft and asked if we would review some of their fire starters. It came in time for rain. Perfect. Because I'm going to try a fire starter. Here, see it? I'm going to try a fire starter. I'm going to try it in the rain. Why would you not try it in the rain? That's the whole point of it. It's these little pink things. Right? They feel kind of like waxy cotton. And they come with a tin like this. And you can fit a whole bunch in that tin. So, tin's kind of neat. I figure pretty simple, right? You have some waxy cotton and bend it around a little bit. Introduce a bit of flame and they light on fire. Pretty decent fire starter, I think. In that regard, picked up a flame from my lighter. That worked, right? So, we'll leave that there. Let's see how it does. You grab it and twist it around a bunch just to break up those fibers. And if you want, tear it open a little bit. Break up those fibers even more. It kind of reminds me of a Vaseline cotton ball without all the Vaseline mess. That one's still going in the rain. So, what's a fire starter that can't take a spark from a ferro rod in the rain? And there's that. Took a spark from the ferro rod in the rain. Alright. So that's two of them. I had another idea for another challenge though. And I don't know if you can see this, but I froze one last night, put it in the freezer, and figured that would be a challenge. It sat in water long enough to become an icicle. Right? Nice, cool. Now I told these guys when they approached me, and Alan agreed, that if we're going to do a review, we're going to do an honest review. We're not going to take paid promotions, we're not going to do any of that stuff. You want me to review something? I'm going to try it like I want to try it. Now mind you, freezing this is kind of a harsh test. Soaking it in water for quite a while is kind of a harsh test. But my thought is, after a minute with the ferro rod, and we'll give it a fair shake because I didn't fluff it up very well. So, after fluffing it up better than I had originally, that is the one that was frozen in ice overnight. So, and I mean, what's a fire outside without a little fat wood, especially in the rain, right? So we'll do a little bit of fat wood. Now, they gave me a bunch of the fire plugs, this tin, and one of their ferro rods. All right, anyway, so let me show you this a little bit closer. All right, so the ferro rod struck, but the handle is comfy. It's got a striking steel on it. Also says Bigfoot Bushcraft. It reminds me very much of the Uberleben Zunden ferro rod. It's got the same shape handle. Looks like the fatty version, the 1/2 inch. The striker even looks similar. Got a bottle opener, scraper. You can use it to feather up your tinder or what have you. It's got a small measuring device, which I believe is negligible. Bottle opener is kind of cool. Keep that in mind. It's got a bottle opener. Fires and beer. Fire and beer. Anyway, you saw how it struck. It's a ferro rod. It strikes like a ferro rod. Works like a ferro rod. It's got a small piece of paracord and things and stuff. Words and such. So I'm going to bring the camera in. I'm going to record some shots of me striking the ferro rod with those. Assuming we don't have a knife. There's really wet cambium layer. This is off of black walnut. I could probably wring this wood out. See what happens. This is not a how do I build a fire class. This is a can this fire starter get wet wood burning. With proper preparation. Yeah, it can. Strongly recommend you don't put a fire together like that. That was probably the most haphazard and unprepared and careless fire I've ever built. I wanted to see if it could handle it. It did. I mean, with that I could have started a bigger fire. The Bigfoot Bushcraft tin has Bigfoot Bushcraft directions on the inside. That's actually kind of a neat touch. How to use this product. Alright, so giveaway. Get the ferro rod, which also has instructions on it, and the tin. All you have to do, comment below. To enter the giveaway, comment down below, say whatever you'd like. If you comment down below, you're automatically entered. And I will draw on Wednesday. I can make a video that day. And yeah, you'll win the tin and the ferro rod. So yeah, anyway, they're not bad fire starters. Dig them. I don't know the price they sent them to me. I'll put a link down below. You can potentially go buy their fire starters if you want. Or you can comment and try to win one. That's the way to go. Alright, anyway. Fire's out. It's raining. I'm going in. Have a good day and find some place to walk.